Why does your scanner show the P0970 engine code? What does it mean? P0970 is a diagnostic trouble code for Pressure Control Solenoid C control circuit low. This error code indicates a problem with the electrical circuit for a specific transmission pressure control solenoid. This solenoid helps regulate fluid pressure in the transmission, enabling smooth gear shifts. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty pressure control solenoid, spark plug problems, low transmission fluid, transmission control module issues, hydraulic blockages. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Honda Accords, Subaru Outbacks, and Honda Odysseys. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.